Hey, welcome back to another video. So this is gonna be a Fendance unboxing. So this is a collection from Fendi and Versace. I'm probably saying it wrong, but it comes with this cute little envelope, which look, it has all the F's around, and it says Fendance, and it has the Versace logo. Oh look, you can seal it. Let's see what's in here. Oh cool, they look like stickers. Look, the F's, and then Fendance. Oh, I have a couple. Oh look, they sent two of each, I guess. Looks so cool. Look. Oh, they have little F's and then the big ones, and then they have the Fendant sticker. This is so cool. I didn't know it came with this. I didn't look so into detail with what it came with. Well, I've always wanted to get something Fendi, so this is my first Fendi item, and I always wanted to get something that was Versace, so I guess I did like a combo of both, which I think that's cool. It comes in a cute little bag, like if I went to the store, and it has the Fendance ribbon on it. And you guys can see, this is super cute. And I'm guessing this is my receipt. Oh, it comes sealed. Thank you for choosing Fendi. And yeah, my receipt. Ooh. Okay, so that's that. That's really cute. And now let's open up this baby up. I don't know if you guys can see what it is. So it's something random. It's not a bag. The bag I actually wanted sold out. But if you guys can guess what it is. And it comes in this really super cute dust bag. Oh my gosh, how cute. So it comes with Fendance tissue paper. And it comes with the tag, the security tag, and the tag. But look, this is so cool. So it's a little bucket hat, and it says Fendance, and it has like both of the brands together, which I think it's super cute. And look, you can probably put it out this way too. I want to say I saw that it was reversible. Yeah, it's a reversible hat, I think. Look, you can put it, or maybe it's not reversible. No, it's not reversible. It's just one way. But I think it's still super cute because you can wear Fendi and you can wear Versace and it matches. And I love the new print that they came out with. The fabric's like super soft. It looks like really lightweight, super soft bucket hat, which I think is really cute. I've been wanting a bucket hat for a while, and look, all the detail. This is one thing I love about this brand that they did. They did all these details. So you can buy the collection either in Fendi or Versace, and they made different collections. This hat was made in this black with brown and gold, and they also made it in pink, which I thought was super cute. So here you guys have it. If you guys want to see any more unboxings or anything about this collection, please comment down below and I'll gladly answer it.